Welcome to the Michigan Runner Show. Join us each time as we explore the people, the places, and the events that shape our great sport.
Vice Chairman of the County Commissioners. I've been affiliated with this run since the very first day it started.
Yes.
Working the same corner with this guy, the Mayor of Roseville.
I'm Mayor Robert Taylor, and I have been here for all 44 years, except for I actually ran in a couple of them. So I ran past you, Harold. Yeah. But the fact is, I've been here every year, and I'll tell you what, it's a great event for the city of Roseville and the community.
It is, and you, sir?
Yes, I'm John Sir. I'm volunteer from the Roseville Optimist Club.
Are you optimistic about next year?
Oh, sure. Always.
Aren't you taking a new office?
Pardon me?
Aren't you taking a new office next year?
No, they were just kidding.
Yeah, he will.
He will.
Yeah. He's got 2 votes already, so he'll probably be
all right, thanks, Jess.
Thank you.
Yeah, bye.
Well, it's just before the start of the Big Bird 1 mile, and we found a really busy lady. What's your name?
Kate O'Hara.
And Kate, Fast Feet is what?
Fast Feet is an adaptive and inclusive running program that just started in Detroit. It originally was in New York, and we just brought our first season to Detroit with our eight athletes that are running today.
How many?
8.
Wow, that's exciting. Tell us a little bit about those people?
So our 8 athletes are of all different abilities. It's our program allows anybody to participate. It's a free program. It runs for 8 weeks, 1 practice a week, and we're just working towards increasing their activity level, their direction following, attention span. We're working on all these things that you get out of participating in a practice every week. And so today we're running just as a little last hurrah for our first season.
So had they run any race before?
I don't know that any of our kids have run any race, so I'm very excited to see how they do and how they like it today.
I hope they do. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kate.
Have a good one. Thank you.